Hello kitties! I recently purchased a water play toy set for my 9-month-old. Although it's recommended for ages 3 and up, I find it suitable for her as long as she plays under close supervision. The toy is pretty simple to assemble. Just insert the batteries into the tap and fill the basin with water. When she's playing, I usually try not to interfere or interrupt by talking too much.
You like it? Your face always.
Watching her move into a high kneeling position on her own is wonderful. This position promotes core strength and control while enhancing her balance and coordination skills.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.